Okay, hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make pattern for pleats. So I'm working on a project currently and I need to make lots of pleats for that project. So I'm going to be showing you how I make the pattern and how I make the pleats. Okay, let's get started. We're going to be making use of a thick paper. So you can either use cardboard. As for me, I'm using calendar. We're going to make markings on the paper depending on the size of the pleats you want to make. For me, it's 0.75 or 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to mark 0.75 on the top and the bottom of the paper from beginning to the end. Now that we're done, we're going to use an O. Taking an O, we're going to connect the 2 points. Make sure to mark it very clearly. And repeat the same for all the points. Careful not to tear the paper. Okay, after marking it should look like this. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to start folding each line. Skip the first one because you need space. I'm going to pick the second one and fold it. Continue doing this till you fold the entire paper. You can use clips to secure the ones you've done. So ideally you're supposed to keep pleating and then leave like one space empty, just like in the beginning, but I have another one, so I'm going to join it. So making use of our iron, I'm going to press the pleats down together and press it flat. Allow it to cool down before we go to the next step. Now we're going to apply interfacing to the wrong side and just to keep the pleats intact. So I did a second one. I'm just going to join it together to make one long one. What it looks like together. For the fabric, you want to make use of something that is lightweight. So my fabric here has the same texture as cotton. And if you're not sure if your fabric would be okay, you can just take out some and use as sample before using the rest for your project. I've already gone to hem my fabric. Now I'm going to just start pleating it. Now place your fabric on the tool and begin to tuck it in into the pleats. If you have long nails, it would be of advantage to you, or you can use something with a straight edge to make sure that the fabric gets tucked in very well. Keep doing this and pressing with your steam iron till you are done. So final notes, this was my first time trying this out. It does require a lot of patience and time, but overall it's a wonderful tool, and when you use it you get very even pleats. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.